Children, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon. How are you all?
Fine,
Had your
ma'am.
lunch?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so children, last class we were doing revision test of MCQ 3. Okay. Then what are the definitions we learned in that chapter 8? Fractions. What is a fraction?
Fraction is a part of a whole.
Equivalent fraction?
A whole. Fractions that denote the same part of a whole.
Okay. Then we learned the number of times, the divisor. Children, please mute your audio. Some children, mute your audio. I will call one by one. I will ask one by one.
And mute everyone.
No need. You can mute yourself because I'm going to give you the test link of revision test 2. So if any problem, I will not be able to understand who is having. So you can mute yourself. I will call by name because some children, they have a network issue that I can hear from here. So Ryan, what is an equivalent fraction? Yes, Ryan. Equivalent fractions. Huh? Yes. What's the problem?
I was making a funny face.
Yes, Mayuk. What's an equivalent fraction?
Fraction that denote the same part of a whole.
Whole. Fractions that denote the same part of a whole, that is equivalent fraction. And the number of times the divisor divides the dividend, that is called quotient. And children, I find last class some children to find the quotient, some children they will write remainder. Remainder, when it is asked, some children they wrote quotient. So this time read the questions carefully. I'm going to send the link. You can keep one rough book with you. So whenever children, what do you have to do when your exam? When is your exam?
23rd. 23rd.
Day. Okay, the last exam.
23rd.
And last exam. After that, we have
December 23rd. Holiday.
We have holiday. So 1 or 2 days, study well, prepare well, read the questions carefully. Don't do the answers in a hurry. Take the rough book, do the calculations. After finding the calculations in the rough book, only submit the answers. Okay, so can I send the link now?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes.
So,
Yes,
children,
ma'am, our exam is Wednesday.
Wednesday. So we are doing now one revision test 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute, please. See the chat box. Did you get the link?
I got it, ma'am.
Okay.
Got it, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you, please mute your audio and.
Got it, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Yes. Mute your audio and do the read the questions in your mind, or if you mute, you can read loud, no problem. Children, those who finished, please take page number 67, question number 21 and 22. Those who finished, please take page number 67 in the part 1 workbook. Question number 20 and 21. You can complete it now.
Ma'am, I finished page number.
Page number 67. Please check page number 67. Page number 67, part 1.
Ma'am, I completed.
Yeah, everyone completed. I'm just giving you time for practice. So you can, no need to write the question. You can write down the answers in the rough book. So those children who finished, they can take page number 67, question number 21 and 22. No need to write the question. You can write only the answers again. You are practicing division. Okay. After
Excuse
some
me,
time,
ma'am, I joined now because of the network issue.
Okay, Glenn, I will send the link now. Please see the chat box. Check whether you got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, those who finished, I told you to do page number 67, question number 21 and 22. We are practicing the division. So no need to write the question or step.
Ma'am, in the workbook.
From the workbook, you have to write down in the rough book.
Ma'am, can you read the question?
That divide 4-digit. That is page number 67, no?
Page number 67, short answer question. I explore thoughts.
Okay, read question number 21, Srihari.
Divide the largest four-digit number by the largest one-digit
okay,
number.
Juwan. Okay, Juwan, yes.
I am traveling.
Okay.
That way I can.
Take the workbook. Okay. After 5 minutes, I will give you 4 questions. That time you can write down if you have a paper or pen. Okay.
Ma'am, we can
Did you finish
also
that?
write in the workbook.
Which one? This question? Divide 4-digit number.
Not ma'am.
The other one.
You told you will give 4 questions.
That also in the rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me see how many children finished. Yes. Who is calling?
You say page number 67, but that page is money, that chapter.
Part 1.
Part 1.
Division, chapter 7.
Not
Chapter
part
7.
2.
Okay. Some more children has to send the response.
Over.
Page number 67, question number 21 and 22 over?
Not over. I over the test. Finish.
Okay. So please wait 1 or 2 minutes. Then we will let me see the responses. Page number 67, part 1, division. We are practice. I told you to practice 2 questions, 21 and 22. No need to write the question, only the calculations. Write the question, do the answers alone.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Why?
Which page number?
Page number 67.
Page number 67.
Question number 21, 22. That share, I was checking the response. How many children finished only?
Ma'am, we wrote the 2 questions. Alex, it is practice. Just write the answer in the rough book.
The question no need to copy, only the answers to practice division.
Okay.
Yes, Aditi? Over? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, can I this much time is enough? I think I have given you only 8 questions. How many children not finished? Can you raise your hand? Janvi, Arpita, okay. Because children here, this is only 8 questions. After 5 minutes, we will discuss. Let me see who made mistakes. What is your score?
Ma'am,
Yes, Suriheri?
when there is power failure, right?
Ah.
So many people, so many people will put their hands up when Manav is the host.
Okay. Now it's okay. Yes?
Now it's okay, but before there were so many hand raised.
It's because everyone is asking to disable the chat. And sometimes if you don't know how to disable the chat, they will tell. That's why.
Okay. Okay, let me see the screen. I think now almost. So let me see the answers. Okay. Those who finished 75.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
are you in laptop?
Yes, I am in laptop.
Because of in my laptop there is WhatsApp.
Yeah.
And my laptop also have WhatsApp web.
WhatsApp web. Okay.
I
Here,
my
okay. Janvi, Celine,
WhatsApp.
Manav. Hridvi, why 2 mistakes? Let me see.
And we also.
I will see. Let me see. Avantika.
Ma'am, the last question I was
All the questions are very easy. Let me see. Aditi made one mistake. Isha. Now let me see. The quotient when this is divided by, what is the first question? It's very easy one. 3. 1 or 2 children that made mistakes. Instead of 300, they have written 330. Please see if you children, if you have any doubt like in Mendel calculation, I told you, you can write down in the rough book. Then only, okay. Who this made quarter? Let me. Krishnananda, when a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, when a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is called? Tell me. Half. Very easy one. That's no excuse. There is no calculation. By sometimes like 3000 and all they made. Maybe because they forgot to add 1 0. Some confusion. This question is very easy. When a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, children, what is that? Half. When a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, one part you can take, that is 1 quarter. 1 quarter.
We
If
have
that's,
learned half and quarter in the last year's time.
okay. Then if a figure or a whole is divided into 5 parts, 1/5. If it is divided into 3 parts, 1/3. Okay. Don't get confusion here. This is very easy one. Your issue. Okay. Did we finish the exam? Ridvi? Ridvi is here? Okay, those who have network issue, I will send that link of revision test in that, not Siddhya, yes, Ridvi. Okay, so I will send the link again in the evening. Okay. Some children there was not able to. Okay, then here quarter, here option 1, equivalent fraction. This time remainder and all is okay. So here the remainder is 0. Who got that remainder 1? Let me see. That is Adidev. Please check that when you divide, here this very easy that divided by 10, remainder is 0. So to those children who made mistakes, please see that, okay? Don't make these mistakes again. Please practice. Write down these questions again. Okay, now I will give you some questions. Please take out your rough book. Those children who have not able to attend the revision test, I will send again in this link in the evening. Okay. Many children got full. Some children get 1 or 2 mistakes. Okay.
Ma'am, give the question.
It's wrong. This time I got full.
Full. Very good.
If you recheck the questions, you can find
Ma'am,
answers and
Okay, so children, please write down these questions faster. Easy questions. Write down in the 2000 divided by, don't say the answers. You can do this like Mendel division, but I want all the children to do alone. After 4 questions, I will ask 1 by 1. Don't say the answer. Divided by 5. Write down this question in the rough book.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, in the test, the last question, the answer should be 50, right?
What was the question?
One second.
Divided by 12. Last question.
Last question. What's the last question?
6,000 divided by 12.
6,000 divided by 12.
6,000 divided by 12. So that's why answer will be 500 now.
What is the
I got the answer 50. So there is no 50. So I do 500. How
So
it
12, okay. So here 12 into 5 is 60. Okay, after 60, how many more zeros are there? 2. So when you write 12 into 5 is 60. After 60, there are 2 more zeros. So after 5, there should be 2 zeros. So the answer is 500. Okay. If you do that calculations in the rough book, you will not get confusion. That's why I told you to write down the calculations in the rough book. Okay, 3,300 divided by 3. All the children don't say the answers louder. I'll give you time. Question number, it's 3. Question number 3. What happened? Question number 3. So first one is 2,000 divided by 5. Second one, 3,300 divided by 3. Question number 3, 5,000. No, it's a 5,000 divided by 10. Divided by 10. Question number 4. 5482. 5482 divided by 8. Please mute your audio, children.
I have a doubt.
Who?
Let me.
And
The first question. Let me bring down 1 0 is there, right? So we can put that in the question last.
yes, you can put that in the question. You have to bring down 2 0. So you can place that 2 zeros in the quotient.
Okay.
How many zeros to be bring down? That much zero you have to place in the quotient. Arpita, tell me the answer of question number 1. Arpita. Question number 1.
Ma'am. 400.
Very good. 400. Children, please check your answer. 400.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, 400. I will ask one by one. So, children, question number 1, 2000 divided by 5 is equal to 400. So, which is the dividend in question number 1? Dividend. Which is the dividend? Who can tell me? Yes, Rihari. Dividend.
Can I say next?
Dividend in question number 1 is 2000.
2000. Which is the quotient?
Quotient is 400.
Which is the remainder?
Remainder 0.
Okay, 0. And which is the divisor?
5.
5. Very good. Okay. Next one, Aditi, question number 2. Aditi.
Yes, ma'am. 3000
Quotient.
divided 3300 divided by 3 is 1100.
Okay, 1100. Very good. And the remainder is 0.
0.
Okay. Janvi, question number 3. Janvi.
1000.
50 divided by 10. 50 divided by 10. So 50 divided by 10. What's the answer? Yes, Janvi. 50 divided by 10 is the first one.
Ma'am.
Or you can cross out 1 0 from divisor and dividend. 5000 divided by 10. So you can cross out 1 0. So what will be the answer? Yes? Network problem. Yes, Janvi, when you cross out 1 0, what's the answer? You can cross out 1 0 from dividend and 1 0 from divisor. Yes?
Ma'am, does
500?
500. Yes, 500 is the answer. Okay. 500 is the answer.
Ma'am, can you share the board again?
You didn't write the question.
Ma'am, what's the answer?
Can I read the fourth question?
Tell me. I will ask one by one. The answer is there. Tell me the answer, Felix. Question number 4. Tell me the quotient. Not over? Not finished?
Not or.
No. Time is going to finish. Diya.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board, only white. Ma'am, I finished writing every question.
Ma'am, can you say the answer of second question?
Second question 1100. 1.
Ma'am, third question's answer?
Third question is 500. And who completed question number 4? Can you raise your hand?
Ma'am.
Okay. Nainiga.
Okay, ma'am. 5482 divided by 8 is equal to 685.
Very good. 685. Very good. Ryan, what's the remainder? Question number 4. What is the remainder?
2.
2. Yes, very good. So here, question number 4, children. The dividend is 5,482. And when you divide, you can see first number 54 divided by 8, 6. 6 into 8 is 48. When you do 54 minus 48, what's the remainder? That is 6. So when you bring down 8, 68. So 8 into 8, 64 can be taken from 68. So when you subtract, what you will get? 4. Bring down the next number 2. So the last one, 8 into 5 is 40. 8 5s are 40. So the remainder is 2. So the answer is correct. Okay. So what is the dividend? 5,482. And the divisor is 8. Quotient is 685. And remainder is 2. How many children got all these 4 questions correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got.
So children, okay, very good. Many children, they are in the waiting room. Children, I think the time is up. So all the best children.
Only 25 participants.
So children, I can see here 48 because many children, they are in the waiting room. Okay, so these children, I think the time is up. So all the best. Study well, children. Okay. Wednesday is our math exam. So when you finish,
Wednesday is the math exam.
So children, revision test 1 and revision test 2. Some children have made mistakes. Please revise that questions again and revise well. Do the question well. All the children should get full mark. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Okay.
So bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best for your exam. All the best for your